Genesis chapter 1 verse 6. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." Before God acts more, he creates space. Many times we ask God for growth, blessings, or clarity, but God first brings separation. In real life, this may look like a distance from certain people, a pause before progress, a season where things feel in between. God separates to protect. He creates boundaries so you don't drown in what surrounds you. Verse 7. And God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so. God doesn't just speak separation, he establishes it. He reminds us that not everything belongs in the same space. Not every emotion deserves control. Not every voice should have access to you. In life, maturity comes when you allow God to divide what you can control from what you must trust him with. And once God establishes a boundary, it is settled. Verse 8. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day. God names what he creates. This shows us that identity comes from God, not from circumstances. In everyday life, your worth is not defined by failure, your value is not defined by delay, your identity is not defined by struggle. If God names something, it has a purpose. And if God created you, your life has meaning, even in unfinished seasons. Verse 9. And God said, "Let the waters under the heaven be gathered together unto one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. Before dry land appears, chaos must move. Sometimes life feels unstable because God is repositioning things. In real life, this may look like things shifting suddenly, old system breaking, comfort zones disappearing. But dry land does not appear by accident. It appears when God commands order. What feels like chaos today may be preparation for stability tomorrow. Verse 10. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw that it was good. God steps back and calls it good, not perfect, good. This teaches us progress matters, completion takes time. God celebrates stages, not just endings. In everyday life, learn this truth. You don't have to be finished to be valuable. You don't have to be perfect to be approved. If God says it's good, then you can trust the process. Creation doesn't happen in a rush, and neither does growth. If God took his time forming the world, he is not in a hurry with your life. The ground has been prepared. The chaos has been moved. In the next episode, God commands the earth to produce and everything changes. We'll continue with Genesis chapter 1 verse 11 to 15. See you in the next video.